Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So today we want to talk on how to download Adobe Audition. So for free. We want to talk on how to download Adobe Audition for free. So first of all, if you want to download Adobe Audition or any other Adobe, the first key thing is to download Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud will enable you to access all Adobe that you may need. You can just sign in online, or you can just sign in online by just searching Adobe Creative Cloud. Already I have it here, Adobe Creative Cloud. Then Adobe Creative Cloud, Adobe Creative Cloud. Then you can sign in or you can log in. So you can create account or you can do whatever. You can sign in. So if you have created an account, the only password, only email and password. Then you can, after that, you come and search Adobe, Adobe Audition, Adobe Audition, Adobe Audition. Now, if you have already signed in to Adobe Creative Cloud, well and good. But if you haven't signed in for an Adobe Creative Cloud, you can just come here. This is Adobe Audition. Then it will ask you, which country are you? I'm in Africa as we are speaking now. We want to download Adobe Creative Cloud. So this one, do we want to buy Adobe Creative Cloud or we want it free for trial? Free for trial, if you don't have money right now, you can use free for trial. But if you have money, you can purchase it as you are speaking or as you want. But remember, free for trial is for a certain duration. You can cancel it anytime and continue later, or you can just give it a try. So since we want it for free, we can come here, free for trial, continue. Sorry, we have free for trial for 7 days, free for trial for 7 days, then continue. We have 7 days free trial. After the 7 days, you will be required to pay $29.99. That is monthly, $29.99. But if you don't have that amount after the free trial, you can also cancel it. Remember, once you have registered for in Adobe Creative Cloud, it will help you to do what? To monitor your purchase. You can also cancel it anytime. Then continue. Okay. Enter your email, and use it to access all Adobe products. Now we are in Adobe Creative Cloud. You will just accept and put your email account. From there you can use all Adobe. Now you will have to download Adobe Creative Cloud. Remember, we downloaded Adobe Creative Cloud before